So today I'm going to show you how to sell a stock on Robinhood. So we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So right over here, we're on the main page of Robinhood. Pretty much looks familiar for most people. If we scroll down, we can see all the different stocks that we have ownership in. And what we can do is click on whichever one we're interested in selling. Now, because I own fractional shares of this stock, I can actually sell this by the dollar amount, not necessarily by the stock amount. Now, if you have any stocks over at least a quantity of one, you can sell them individually with different order types. And that is very important to know when you want to make sure you get the best possible price for a stock you want to sell. So as an example with this one here, we're going to click on the trade button right there with the green, and then it's going to bring up some options. We're going to, of course, click on sell right over here. And currently it's going to tell us that we can sell in a dollar amount. If you click on the top right-hand corner, you can see all the different order types. Again, because we have less than a quantity of one with this stock right now, we're not going to be able to go through any of these other options. But it is highly recommended if you can do a limit order, so that way you get the best price for you is ideal. So today we're just going to go ahead and click on this. If I want to, I can sell all the shares by clicking share all or sell all, and then it's going to show the full dollar amount. And then I can just swipe up right over here. And just like that, it's going to go through and sell the stock for me. And then that money right there, once it's fully sold, is going to go into my buying power. So you can see here, it popped up saying that it's sold. So if I go ahead and scroll back up, now you can see my buying power has increased because of that money going back into my account, which then I can go ahead and spend or withdraw however I need. If you want to learn how to withdraw your money from Robinhood, check out my video right over here to learn just how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.